What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for the first official build video for Big Meech. I know y'all seeing this late, cause by now I got oil pressure and y'all saw that. But we tuning in, man. I already bought the motor and transmission. That's solidified. Got it from Slick Rick. So this thing finna roll quickest oil pressure y'all about to see. So I found me an intake, cause I'm gonna give y'all the rundown when I get to the house where I need an intake. So I'm about to go pick up the intake from my boy Alex. It's brand new. Came with intake gasket, called a mean deal on it. Then I'm hitting AutoZone, getting every little accessory piece I need. So when we get everything to the house, it's just gonna be quick. It's gonna be boom, boom, boom. We ready, we gonna roll. Gonna be the shortest build series ever. I promise y'all. Big Meech about to have oil pressure. So
it's a surprise.
Y'all see, look. Teeny. I got Teeny with me and Shell. What y'all got going on? What you got going on, Teeny? Nothing. But we about to go meet him, man. Then we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, so y'all see where we at? AutoZone. We got the first part. I'm gonna show y'all what we got in a minute. We got Shell on big sister duties, tying Teeny shoe. Y'all ready to eat, huh? Yeah. But yeah, look. I'm about to get in here. I told y'all they're gonna be the fastest build ever. And it's crazy cause I'm doing it all behind the scenes or whatever. So, like I said, y'all seeing these videos, it's behind. Y'all already know Big Meech got oil pressure at this time you watching this. So, we about to go in here. I'm about to get with Will and Cody. AutoZone, we're gonna get some stuff that I need. And then, like I said, everything's just gonna roll. So, y'all stay tuned. So, we back at the house. Said first episode of Big Meech. The return. Said nothing serious though. We got, y'all see it. Let me get it out. Let me just get it out. And then we're gonna show everything. Okay, so we back at the house. And get one out of the refrigerator, Shell. Shell about to get the hot water over there. But we back at the house. The girls are tired. Now we gotta take the trash. Y'all gonna ride, take the trash? Yeah. Now they gonna take it. They went with me today. So this is what we got for Big Meech. Like I said, I'm sorry to do y'all like this, man. But, hey, man, it is what it is. Part of the plan. So, like I said, the motor I got, I'll tell y'all about it. But this is what's going on the motor. Well, go ask mine. I caught this from my boy Alex. Shout out to Alex McCarty. Everything brand new. Intake gaskets. I caught a mean deal on this. Brand new intake, as you can see, never been used to do the job. Didn't need nothing special. So that's that. So we got the intake, and then I'm gonna show y'all the carburetor I got. Like I said, this motor not nothing special. Obviously, as you can see by now, car y'all done heard the car. It's just to get the car running. So. Then this right here, this is a Holly 600. That's all I need. Electric choke. So that's all it is right there. Holly 600, perfect. Not overkill. So that's that. We got the carburetor. I got the headers. The headers are on the way. We ordered the headers, got them coming. And we got what is it? Headers and a gas tank. Told y'all know how I feel. New gas tank and everything. So we got new gas tank coming. So I literally got everything I need. I mean, it's two little small things that I need, but I pretty much got everything I need. Header gaskets, probably overkill, but I like these. They reusable, and you're not finna blow those too tough. So I put them on everything from mile to mile. Carburetor studs, cause you're gonna need those. You got your water net. I just use thermostat that is on the motor. Got that for your heater hose. Then you got the fuel pump, cause it's a late model motor, so you got to have electric fuel pump. That's adequate enough since it's a stock motor. Intake bolts, so you ain't gotta be looking around. We got throttle return springs. I gotta go get that bracket. Header bolts, and then you got the gauges. So, cause you got to have these. So that's the haul for the day for Big Meech. And this pretty much all I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next clip. Alright, so as y'all can see, that was it for the day. Showing y'all the parts. Y'all see the motor and all of that. Like I said, it ain't nothing special. I told y'all, man, I was gonna get I threw hints in previous vlog that I was about to get this car riding on the road car. It really messed me up. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. That's my baby right there. That's really my baby. I mean, and I know it's gonna take time for me to put my big motor in there, cause y'all just don't know what I'm coming with and how I'm coming. People really don't know. People don't, they think you talking until the time come, but people don't know how I'm coming on that car. So I mean, I know, like I said, I saw some rust under the top. I was like, man, I can't let that car sit like that, man. I mean, when a car just sits, it really will deteriorate. Y'all know that. If you build a car, you know the worst thing you can do is let a car sit. And y'all saw what the problem we had to battle right here with this one, with wifey car called it sat 10 years. And I mean, who knows what future problem we might run into. So I don't even know how long Meech been sitting. I know it been sitting 2 years since I bought it. So I'm like, man, I can at least put this car on the road, be driving it. I'm probably gonna throw me some wheels on it, or it might have wheels on it at the time. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I move fast, but I'm shooting this before. But I know my original plan is debut the car with oil pressure, which is what I did if you're watching the video, and now y'all seeing the build series after. But like I said, throw some wheels on it. The car is nice, man. Got nice interior. It needs a paint job and stuff now. I need to take the hood off of there because I don't like the hood, but I'm not gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna be setting the chassis up and all that. So this the first video. Pretty much got everything I need. I did everything in one day. Me and Rick talked about it last night. I woke up this morning. I decided, I was like, man, I want to do it. Called Rick, got him straightened out on the transaction. Went and got everything I needed. So we just good to go now. It's just a matter of Rick gonna literally drive the car over here, and gonna put it right beside Meech, and boom boom, everything over. Both of them B-body cars, and we're probably gonna swap the spindles and make the front of Big Meech a big 5 too. So the look pattern be the same all the way around. Cause right now it's a small Chevy and it's a big Chevy. So that's it. First video. Like I said, it's gonna be a short series. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm out.